Universal, the main reason why we have the Cat in the Hat movie with Mike Myers. It almost seemed fitting to put an artist's name on a palette, I think. Woody Woodpecker and Pantry Panic. Beware, the kettle will be hot. Ah, the little village of what I presume is called Woodfall. Of course you need a thermometer to know the temperature. Oh, look here, little gopher with the Asian glasses. Okay, I'm getting demonetized for that.
The gopher bell! That means his pants is off! Let's go check!
Apparently, there's this thing called the bird flu going around. Oh no, it's just Hurricane Harvey. And as we all know, anything named Harvey is bad news.
The weatherman's right. We better go south right away. You said it.
They all have the same voice. They're part of a hive mind, I know it.
Winter's coming.
I think the pipe will be fine in the cold winter. Ah, the rare zipper tree. I heard of those. Was that a pet cricket? Whoa, that kid just can't wait to be born to get out of here. The running animation and the smoke aren't synced up well.
Boy, oh boy, what a day for a swim.
Was that nothing I heard?
To Fort Lauderdale or bust! Come on, let's get out of here.
Hey, Pop, where's everybody going?
We're all going south.
There's gold in them mine!
Blizzard's coming.
Go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
That's
You'll
racist.
freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any
Wow,
food
that's a
either.
derpy looking
Don't
guy.
worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right
Like
now,
what?
I'm going
Wood,
swimming.
bugs? Those are things you have to eat. And his classic maniacal laugh. Oh, is it? Did his eyes change color? That is unsettling, actually. I'm Hurricane Harvey. I'm here to cast an actress in my film and then grope them afterward.
Boy, this must be what Michael J. Fox feels like every day.
Oh no, another cold cartoon about a bird that's in winter. What a shock.
Boy, that was quite a fall. Why do I feel like I got crack in my ass? Oh, look, crack!
Must be hard water in this lake.
Or maybe, you know, science. Blow away! So this is how tennis is played. Okay, I can get behind this.
Hey, I'm Woody Boomerang Pecker.
Oh wow, even the cartoon isn't sure about its own bullshit.
There's no place like home. Haha, pun.
Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food.
I'm gonna feast like King Midas. Minus the golden touch.
Go on and blow.
And I mean that's a double entendre.
Hey, come back here with my food.
No! Piss off!
Looney Tunes stole from me again. Gosh darn it.
Ooh, spooky. What, this? Yeah, that's unsettling. That's even more unsettling. Aw, there's a poor little pretty cat. Oh, whoa.
I'm that hungry little kitty cat you just read about.
No, you are not, and stop breaking the fourth wall.
I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, don't force wall break. You're not Deadpool.
Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man.
Let's talk about my live-action movie later.
Okay, there's some sort of oxymoron contradiction here.
Come in. You're just
Okay, he looked freaky.
Yeah? What are you gonna have for dinner?
You know what? The woodpecker looks scarier than the cat. I'm saying that
Yeah.
right now.
Let me take your scarf.
Did Woody try to choke that cat?
You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me.
I believe that too.
Pretty cold, buddy.
No.
I mean, we're
ain't
inside.
Oh, yes, you are. Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner.
Holy crap!
Boy, feline fricassee.
The woodpecker just became the most sadistic, cruel killer in the animal kingdom.
Hey, what happened to that pussy I was gonna eat?
I'm gonna get the bird. A classic game of Whack-A-Woodpecker. A woodpecker and a pussycat is quite the euphemism, isn't it? Hey, what feels like hot sauce on my tail?
Oh boy, hot sauce and air, my favorite. Hey, do you know how much it costs to fix a hole in the wall?
You missed me.
And yeah, every time someone says that,
Now, my fine pigeon,
it's a woodpecker.
I'm going to pick you dry.
Oh boy, cat stew, my favorite.
Yeah, Woody is pretty cruel and sadistic. And now the battle of the decade, the pot battle. Who will win? Wow, that must be how Michael J. Fox feels every day.
Mmm,
Hi, I'm Sarah Jessica Parker. I'm told there's an audition here.
mice. Meat.
No! I'll never be in Sex and the City again! Reminder, a bird ate a moose. Laws of nature? Well, who gives a crap?
That was pretty good. But you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.
Well, I guess his ball's dropping between scene. That was a weird voice change. So yeah, what a lovely cartoon. Catch you later.